Hello everyone, my name is Nambui and today I will talk about my team's objective. So the first one will be keep it simple. That means you have to focus on your goals that you know in a certain time frame you can achieve it by. And in the real job, many employees expect you to get things done on time, but not late. And prioritize your goals by what the company most needs, and no magic number exists as it will rely on many variables such as nature of goals and availability of time and resources. The next the next one will be more specific. So that means you have to brainstorming different ways to reach the end result as you set for the objective, and you have to build your plan in order to determine how your target can be accomplished. Just like think about uh, how your manager will assess your performance of for each of your key results. The simpler of the simpler your goals are, the more accurate your project or your assignment will be. Um, you want to concise your goals so that you know exactly what you want to do and how your goals can be accomplished. The next one will be make the team's objective clear. Uh, so in the real world, most organization expectation for some worker can be may be daunting as they can not see how their work will contribute in the company. So, so, uh, so for example, how can I help my team on this project to be successful? So for this particular project, my work is to work on the objective, and one of my bullet points, I want to making sure my teammates and the audience will know what to expect, and from there I will use the objective and working my way up for the later project. And the next one will be set a goal for the team. Uh, so I usually build a mini milestone in my main outcomes. Knowing what to do uh, is to make my objective more specific in order to achieve my main result. This will allow me to focus on aligning my action plan with my key performance, and uh, and uh, and it kind of keep track of my expertise to achieve my result. Uh, for example, for this project, my goal is to record a video within 30 minutes that will that I can fit all of my informations in onto this slide, and I think it takes a skills to do that. So it's take a lot of practice to do that as well. And the last one will be keep everyone on the same page, meaning let's say if somebody is late to the meeting or they skip one meeting, we have to let them know what is going on the team and what kind of conversation that we talk on that meeting, and just communicate and collaboration with my teammates more and more so that everyone is on the same page. That's it. Thank you.